Hello and welcome to another edition of Pirate Math. I'm Mr. Pellerin, and today we're going to be looking at multiplying with mixed numbers. The first thing that we want to look at is we have a fraction and we have a mixed number. We can't multiply them as they are, so we need to fix them, or we need to change them so that we can work with them. So the 3/4 we can work with, the 2 1/3 we cannot. So what we're going to do is we're going to turn this into an improper fraction. So if you remember the rules of improper fractions, we multiply the denominator and the whole number, so 2 times 3, and then we add 1 to that. So 2 times 3 is 6, plus 1 is 7, and we keep the same denominator. Now the rules of multiplying fractions is simple. You multiply the numerators and multiply the denominators. So 3 times 7 is 21, and 4 times 3 is 12, and we can't leave that as an improper fraction, so what we're going to do is say how many times does 12 go into 21, and that is 1 whole time, and then we have 9 out of 12 left over, but what we should do with that is simplify, so we have 1, and we're going to divide both sides by 3, and we have 3/4. 1 3/4 is our final answer when we multiply 3/4 times 2 1/3. Okay, now we have a fraction 1 1/4 times 1 1/3, and we're going to do the same thing like we did in the last fraction. We're going to change both of these mixed numbers into improper fractions. So 4 times 1 is 4, plus 1 is 5. So our new fraction is 5/4, and we're going to multiply. That dot means multiply, and we have 3 times 1 plus 1 is 3, 4/3, and we're going to multiply across because that is the rule for multiplying fractions. And we have 5 times 4 is 20, and 4 times 3 is 12. And we say how many times does 12 go into 20, and that is 1 whole time with 8/12 left over. And we're going to simplify, and we have 1. We're going to divide both sides by 4. And we have 2/3. So 1 1/4 times 1 1/3 equals 1 2/3. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like what you see, please subscribe below. Thanks again. Bye.